Most people ask AI to write ads and get generic junk back. That is not a model problem. That is a prompt problem, and it is fixable in one afternoon. Step 1. Do not start with a blank prompt. Export the search terms that already converted and paste them in. Real queries from real buyers are the brief. The model just has to mirror them. Step 2. Ask for 15 RSA headlines, 30 characters or less, grouped by theme. 15 because Google wants variety to test. Grouped so you can see which angle is thin. Step 3. Pin your brand headline in position 1. For a plumber, that is same-day plumbing repair, pinned. Google rotates everything you let it rotate, and your brand promise is the one line that should never disappear. Step 4. Let the benefit headlines rotate in position 2. Speed, price, trust. Different buyers care about different things, and rotation is how Google finds out which one this buyer cares about. Why this works? The search terms give the model the customer's own words. The character limit forces ad discipline. The pin protects the brand. The rotation does the testing for you. You supplied judgment. The AI supplied volume. That is prompt engineering for paid media. Real queries in, disciplined headlines out. The full tutorial is on Ahmeego.com. Buddy by Ahmeego, a company of It All Started with an Idea.